can put your seat on any side of these, depending on how you want your stool, but that is a basic stool. Now if you wanted to make a chair from this, you could add another cube, or you could do a clever trick, and I will teach you. So we'll delete this cube, we'll take this, which would be the seat, Shift-D, then we can rotate 90, and then we press G just to move everything up. You could scale this, you could have this. Alright, so most chairs lean slightly backwards. Let's make some adjustments there. So that's your back to your chair. This could be one of those like kind of fancy church chairs that they have where you kind of sit, but they have those backs that don't quite give you the lumbar support that you need, but you know, you sit there regardless. So then you take the first legs that you made, all three of them, Shift-D, duplicate, and we just place them at the back here. That's one way to do it, and you can scale that down so that the design kind of matches what you would like to do, I guess. You could alter the rotation of these as well. Let me see. So yeah, as long as they fit into the chair, they have the same kind of style as well. And there we have it. One basic chair, just for you to come and sit on if you'd like. Yes. So save that as your chair project inside of your Blender folder, newly made. Saving it in the Blender folder is going to help with your organisation in the end. I please implore you to do that, because otherwise you can lose your project. Right, so on to the next tutorial.